I welcome all of you on Yourpedia education platform, and you are watching the series of very short videos related to group discussion and group task. In that series, today I'm going to discuss with you how to cut someone short in the GD, how to stop somebody when he is continuously talking or speaking during GD. Now, if you want to cut a rope, can you cut it? You can cut it with the knife or with the sword or with the blade. What is required? If you want to cut a rope, you need to cut it with the blade or very small knife. Similarly, when you want to cut a sentence, long sentence, somebody is speaking long sentence, you need to cut it with word, not sentence. Sentence cannot be cut with sentence. Sentence is to be cut with word. Now here is a participant in group discussion who is continuously speaking, fluently speaking, and you find him very difficult to cut him short. You find that he cannot be cut, he cannot be stopped. Then you need to use some word so that he stops. And the best way to do that is you name him. If you know his name, Rohan, then you can say, Rohan, I agree with you. Rohan, I don't agree with you. Sorry, Rohan, I don't agree with you. Rohan, I'm extremely sorry, I don't agree with you. Rahul, what you are saying does not make sense. Yes, Rahul, what you are saying, I want to add to that. Rahul, I want to add to what you're saying. So that chota word, just put it in between and you can stop him from speaking. So don't use entire sentence. Many times in group discussion, what will happen is people will deviate from the main topic, and that will happen always. So this particular word always you can use. See, Rahul, you are deviating. Rahul, this is not the topic. Sorry, Rahul, you are deviating from the topic. Rahul, you are deviating from the topic. Sorry, you are deviating from the topic. So ऐसे एक word, दो word. Yes, very true. That is correct. Not correct. Wrong data you are giving. That is not correct. So use these words to cut the sentence. So let me conclude now. If you want to stop somebody, cut his sentence through the word. And what those words can be: agreeing words, disagreeing words, appreciating words, saying that you don't agree, saying that somebody is deviating. These kind of words can stop him from speaking. And the moment you cut him, stop him, then enter. So stop him using word and enter your sentence there. Perfect way. Fine. Thank you.